Swinging with you.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go! The plays, man. Oh, this is a good time for me to show people my house in Valheim.
Big. Show him the tower.
Show him the tower, dude.
Tell him the story of when he defended against Shaman.
I did defend against a shaman in my tower. I built it on an island because I was stupid. And it sounded fun. So the person I was playing with, they're like, don't build it on an island. And I was like, I'm gonna build it on an island. So I built it on an island. Here's my house. Looking pretty. Like, I added some windows. Here's our tower. I built this tower last night. It took me a while, but we got it. Go up in the tower. This is where I can use my bow. Here's my house from above. Looking great, you know. I just added this recently. This is my workstation. I ran out of wood, otherwise I would have finished it. But yeah, here it is right here. Here's our porta potty, because it's like a bathroom, you know. There's no toilet in it yet. Is the inside?
Might be wrong, but if you go back into your little tower, it looked like you were missing a little thing up top.
Is that a
What?
Bruh.
Where did it go?
Okay, guys.
Radiant act like she said that she went on a 11-game losing streak already. She was losing 4 to Elo.
What are you guys right now?
I feel bad to be honest.
I'm 22.
No, rank. Okay, I'm not that bad down. D1.
Say fair or
They're out. One's out hell. Oh, one's hell. I don't know where the fuck he went.
Last player standing. One enemy
hit
remaining.
30.
Nice, Digi. Let's
called
go, homie.
He was Raptors, dude. Fucking
He
killed
was
him.
hell. I saw him drop hell.
He dropped and he went
I
back up.
was so irritated. I was like, wait, what?
Go back. Do a bait. Swinging with you.
One enemy remaining.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yeah,
There you go.
can you throw your line?
Mid?
That's me.
What's left?
She's
I don't like it.
Let's not get too aggro. We can still lose this.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, wait.
Last player
This is what I was
standing.
saying.
It's fine.
well. That was my bad because I whiffed on Omen.
You shouldn't stay in mid, even in
Yeah, I
a
should've
4v2,
left.
because you can get double
Yeah,
peeks
My
from
last
either
game
side.
tonight. Come.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, that's big.
Blinding pillar.
Could have
Blinding
mollies.
mollies involved.
Pillar. Nice.
I'll play heaven. You can go. Oh, I got that.
You said
Blinded in. They're all there, Mero.
Could be LP main. Could be LP main.
that. Dude, I gotta hit one.
No shot.
Good job, I'm rid of that.
Fucking 0-6 raise. I feel bad for her. She did not deserve to die there. I'm literally
She
running
practiced anyway,
backwards,
she didn't really play
shooting,
bad.
and I hit her.
The round.
Just got done with a CS session. Reminded me why Valorant is so much better than CS. I think CS is fun. I don't hate it. They're definitely different games though. CS is kind
Did I
of
spell that wrong? I think I
the
did,
movement's a little bit more wonky for me.
83 on build rate.
Yeah,
Spike
boy.
planted.
Nice.
Pretty sure the phone.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Heaven.
6 bullets.
You can smoke the bomb off. Fucking
King, you're
dog.
just smarter. You're just smarter. That's all it is.
That was just, yeah, I was just smarter
That
than
was
her
his
there.
brain. Alright, time to go off.
Oh, I didn't think 3 of them would
Last
swing me
player
Raptors at that time.
standing. Spike planted.
No.
No shot this kid's rating, right? Surely he knows there's a whole wall. Do I need to like just like deathmatch?
You're just tilted,
Like-
dude.
10
Yeah.
hours? Am I tilted really?
You're literally
I
just
just-
tilted right
I
now.
literally
Yeah.
can't play.
It's either
That's
that or you're
literally
just
somebody
not
told me that
focusing.
in a game like the other day. I was playing on Icebox and I was like, how come you guys can fucking dink me every single shot and I always get body shots? And they're like, you're literally just tilted. And they were right. I'm not tilted anymore.
There you go.
Spawn for
One enemy remaining.
Oh, breach.
You know, that's how you back left.
Last player standing.
it. My bullets going.
That movement was clean. Like,
Where like I'm done, man.
are you a finance major, Lucas? I literally just. Oh, okay.
Spike down A.
I don't know what I'm doing, dude.
Can you re-smoke this, Omen?
No.
Yo, you wanna take CT control with us?
Smoking 5.
When you smoke this, when you smoke this.
Smoking 3.
Ramp.
Charges. Cover going out.
Peek, killjoy.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, shot.
I nade. Shee.
Who fucking dated me, dude?
I wonder.
Last player standing.
Oh, we actually lose this game, boys.
Shush.
Yeah, they just threw away 2 guns.
They naded market, so they don't have it here. I'm blinding. She's blinded.
No, dude.
Good door. Yeah, bomb king.
That's from heaven, the heaven.
Unimportant.
Wrapped it
I didn't close round. Where's all?
I'm going A.
Watch them run.
Okay, me either. I'm gonna double satchel out, you kill. Understand?
360 M.
Let's go!
No way.
The plays,
I thought you
man.
did that.
All right, team. Me and Raze are ready to go on to A. All right, we lost our bomb mid. That's okay.
One more heaven, one ramp.
Just stay in heaven. Don't do anything.
Don't do anything, he has a free kill. Be confident.
No shot.
Oh.
No, God!
CT 22.
One enemy remaining.
Beyond the wall.
One shot?
No, dude.
Look at this dude.
Attackers win.
Big?
These
Dude,
games
I
are
swear.
feeling really easy right now.
Well, yeah, because your MMR evened out, so you're playing garbage players.
True.
I mean, I'm not saying you're bad. I'm just saying, like, in general.
He's saying you're garbage.
No, bro, did you not see that 4K last game?
Well, you say my MMR evened out, but we had a Radiant in that game.